Welcome to the latest C-Store format solution for the U.S., developed for Shell-branded wholesalers by the Shell Global Convenience Retailing Team. The structure in which you're standing is a representation of a store with approximately 2,700 square feet of sales area, which is about the 2007 NACS average. The layout distribution was arranged with an inside-out mindset, according to Shell-tested global principles. The strength of the design comes from enhancing the customer shopping experience by creating shopping zones, category solutions, and improved customer flow. The format spotlights three key product categories: hot beverages, food to go, and cold drinks, using logical placement and architectural treatments that are competitive for the U.S. C-Store market. This format is flexible by nature and can be adapted to stores of all shapes and sizes, both as new construction and retrofits of existing stores. This solution doesn't require the use of the Shell RVI building exterior, which allows wholesalers of Shell-branded locations to continue using their own C-Store brands. Let's look at the strategy of this format in greater detail. It all begins with our customer and making their shopping experience easier. We accomplish this by dividing the store into four logical shopping zones: the Express Zone, Cold Drinks and Snack Zone, Shell Cafe Zone, and Browse Zone. These zones influence the way customers navigate the store by increasing the speed of their journey while providing easy access to our inventory. The Express Zone extends from the entry door up to and including the checkout. By separating the entry door from the checkout counter, we allow ample room to accommodate peak time queuing without blocking the entry to the store. This is the fastest of all the customer journeys, so in our design, this area is uncluttered and unobstructed with a product selection geared to create an impulse run. The next fastest zone is the Cold Drinks and Snack Zone, where the customer is searching for a cold drink and a quick snack. This area is positioned toward the rear of the store, with direct and clear access from the entrance. Customers in this zone know clearly what they want and need only 10 seconds or less to select the product. The Shell Cafe is a store within a store that allows the customer to relax away from the busy Express Zone. It is intended to support a range of hot beverages and food-to-go products for consumption on-site or to take away. Within this zone, the customer will browse the product's assortment and make a decision in about 1 minute. The Browse Zone is designed to host other C-Store staple categories like car care, newspapers, magazines, and groceries. The products within this zone are expected to meet a specific customer need and are destination in nature. In our design, these products are placed so they don't interfere with the express lane, shop entry, and/or cold drinks and snacks area. Another important aspect of the format is its architecture, which leads the customers to the key sales and high-margin categories within the zones. Let's look at these areas in more detail. The Shell Cafe store-within-a-store concept is created by the convergence of several key design elements. The identity of the space is defined by wood flooring and a ceiling border, anchored by angle columns at the walls. The hot beverage offer is highlighted by a wood grain chimney, countertops, and counter body, which differentiates these elements from the rest of the space. This chimney also serves as a backdrop for product branding of the wholesaler's private label or third-party menus and promotional materials. The food-to-go area has a defined space for refrigerated merchandisers of all kinds, based on your category management needs. The area also provides an island refrigerated case, ambient display racks, and countertop space, all of which provide takeaway food items. The use of a wood grain cladding around the refrigerated equipment makes this area look architecturally built in rather than a collection of individual pieces. The design of the super chilled area delivers greater visibility to the high-margin beverage category. The cold drinks cooler has four key architectural treatment elements. 1. The main category header serves as the identifier for the cold drink offer, grabbing the attention of the customer, not only from the entry door, but also from the forecourt. 2. color-coded angle columns to anchor the header and frame the offer. 3. Subcategory headers to facilitate product selection and stimulate purchase. And 4. A silver-colored cooler box to deliver a cold look. Other C-Store staple categories like car care are highlighted by a category-specific image header, simple category descriptor, color-coded background, and shelf edge strips. The sale counter is the main point of interface between you and your customer. The design of the sale counter provides clear pay points, well-defined category positions, and a welcome message acknowledging the value of your customer. Our approach to merchandising the checkout is focused and straightforward, aiming to stimulate impulse purchases. The strategy of this format is also flexible in nature, and its principles are applicable to any shape and size of store, be it new construction or retrofit. Let's see an example of how this design can be applied to an existing Jackson's Food Store in Boise, Idaho. This format will be ready for formal release in first quarter 2009. For more information, contact Shopco USA.